Updating your billing address on PlayStation Network is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Sign into your account. Visit the PlayStation Network website or open the PlayStation app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the Profile menu or under Account Management. Step 3. Select Billing Information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your address. Locate the billing address section. Here, you can edit your existing address or enter a new one. Make sure to input all required fields correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your address, look for the Save or Confirm button. Click it to ensure your new billing address is saved to your account. Make sure to double-check your new address for accuracy. Keeping your billing information updated helps prevent any issues with purchases or subscriptions.